the PEBCD. It's a coating process or plasma enhanced vapor chemical deposition. It's a process of the depositioning the plasma on the surface of the metal. So it's a deposition of the chemical on the surface of metal, also known as diamond-like coating.
Okay.
Matibay talaga.
So yun yung standard name niya, diamond-like coating. So
DLC.
Yan pa sir yung pampatigas din ng bakal.
DLC coating.
very
Okay.
specific name. We call it the PEBCD or plasma enhanced vapor chemical deposition. That's
PEVC.
the process na yung ginagawa ng machines. The brand ng machines namin, the model ng machines namin, they call it the Armor Loop. Armor Loop, the unit
Armor
that we're
Loop.
using is the Imperial. That's why on yung mga fixtures niya, the fixtures is getting set up. Yun yung mga fixtures niya, which yung nalagay namin sa loob. So it's being heated up to 300 degrees Celsius. Then yung mga gas
Imperial.
natin, different types of gases from the lines.
This is their DLC coating.
So we have the argon, the methylene, hydrogen, etc. So the most expensive gas is this one. The methylene.
Metal silane. Okay. So ito yung ginagamit nyo for coating?
Yes sir. So this is connected yung mga tubes papunta doon sa chamber.
Ah, okay.
Yan siya. Yan yung after sanding. So the robot arm, sinanding niya, na-polish niya na. So ito na yung kalalabasan niya. Okay? Then the traditional is the parkerizing or manganese
Parkerize.
phosphate. Manganese phosphate. The lower portion is the armor loop. Now try to feel it muna.
Oh.
Feel the surface. The difference.
Siguro sa barrel. Kasi, yan lang. Ito wala. Ito medyo magaspang ng konti.
Is this more
Ito,
resistant to scratches?
Yes sir.
Okay.
So the reason why we have the knife here, we
Ah,
like
okay.
to test kung kaya nyo siyang gasgasin.
Ah, parang sa Quiapo lang ah. Pasok ko. Lapit, lapit, lapit.
Oh, Charles!
So the manganese
Gas
The
kasi.
honors. Gas bayaran mo.
ito siya. So ito,
Ito,
sa
parang sa
manganese
Quiapo.
phosphate natin, diba? Pag inano mo,
Ganun yun.
Meron.
makikita mo talaga yung scratch. So we go now the
Armor loop.
armor loop or the PECVD. So makikita natin,
Makinis ah.
okay?
Tunay
So
bang
nakita mo siya,
Oo.
ang napudpod,
Yung knife.
yung knife.
Ah, yung knife yan.
Because when
Okay.
you wipe it out,
Material lang na. Oh, magic. Pwede sa Quiapo
sir,
to.
yan, yung hardness niyan, ilan Rockwell?
Lapit, lapit,
Maabot siya ng
lapit. Woo! Sa Quiapo, babad natin sa
But yung
ano.
loob niya is 40
20-20. Lahat ng klase, 5-5 piso. Ang galing, oh. So I thought you scratch it, but it's the material of the knife. Okay, so lahat ng STK nyo ganito ang coating?
STK,
Okay.
the 22 PCM,
22 PCM.
the torch, the RD4, lahat siya ganyan.
Yeah, you have to see it to believe it, guys. Armor
Kasi
loop.
mo pa.
Armor
Bukan
loop.
ko sir ah.
Yeah, yeah.
Armor loop.
Yeah, yeah.
So
You break it, you buy it.
Yeah.
armor loop is
Oo nga, parang
Yeah.
drawing ka lang.
the process is
Oo.
the PECVD.
Nawawala.
Or
Nawawala. Ang tigas.
Magic. Pwede party, sir.
Oo.
Magic, magic.
Sukatin natin.
Okay guys, actually I'm impressed because I didn't know that they do this. Armor loop.
Pwedeng ipa-armor loop para hindi basta-basta
PECVD. See? No scratch as compared to this one. Okay. By his explanation, na-excite ako doon because of the technology involved. They also put this armor loop in their torch, inside their BCGs.
Pero yung hindi siya
they
pwedeng
take
gamitin
less
sa
wood.
aluminum.